Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are switching gears from penny list to Black Friday shopping. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now if you know, you know. But if you don't know, Dollar General has been absolutely on fire all week long. New coupons, new glitches, freebies, run deals, plus the biggest penny list of the year with tons of hidden penny items. And your girl has already uploaded a bunch of videos for you all, so if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And don't forget to go and check out my YouTube shorts. Now let's go ahead and talk about the Black Friday sales going on at Dollar General. First up, we have a 3-day sale which begins tomorrow on Thursday, November the 23rd. And it is going to run through Saturday, November the 25th. So keep in mind, you can include these deals in with your $5 $25 scenarios. Now, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to be reading through every single deal because we do have a lot to go over. What I am going to be doing is I'm going to touch on the main deals, the best deals, where we are going to get the most savings. And just to make things a little bit easier, I'm also going to be putting a blue thumbs up button in the top right hand corner of the screen on all of the best deals where you are going to be saving the most money. Like this one right here, where we have the Dunkin' Donuts coffee normally priced at $9.95. They're going to be on sale, plus we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.95. And we also have the Maxwell House coffee, buy one get one free, so you're paying $7.95 for two, but we do have a cashback offer, so that's going to make your final price $7.75 for two. Now here's another one I'm really excited for. We have the Fresh Start 8-piece storage solutions. These are normally $25, but they're going to be on sale for $15. Next up, we have the Pyrex 8-piece storage sets, normally priced at $25. They're going to be on sale for $15. And then we also have the Good Cook 60-piece and 40-piece sets on sale for just $10. Now this next deal is definitely a stock up deal. You're not going to find a better price than this. We have the 18-gallon True Living storage totes, normally $9.50. They're going to be on sale for $5. And heads up, the last time that we had this sale, the other colored totes were included. So if you spot any gray or blue, scan them and see if they are included in the sale. All right, next up, Pro Essential extension cords. They are going to be on sale, buy one get one half off. And then we also have several BOGO free deals. These are all stock up deals in my opinion. We have the Command hooks, we have the Peak antifreeze, and then we also have a couple of different kinds of motor oil. Buy one get one free, definitely a stock up deal. All right, next up, we have a couple of deals on batteries. Y'all don't forget about Energizer rewards. My referral link is in the pinned comment down below. But this deal right here is by far one of my favorites of the year. We have buy one get one half off on the Generate batteries. These start out at $1, so you're paying $1.50 for two, and usually this does include the DG Home brand as well. All right, next up, we have sleeping bags on sale for $15, so you're saving $15. We also have the Brown Dot Comfort Bay throws and blankets on sale for 50% off. And then we also have the Comfort Bay towels on sale for $1.50. All right, next up, we have a couple of deals on air fresheners and candles, but I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead just a couple of deals and talk about the Glade air fresheners. Now, we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon. I'm not sure if it's going to attach to these specific scents, so before you go up to the register, make sure that you scan to see if that coupon will attach. Next up, we have Purex and Snuggle. You're paying $3 after the digital coupon, but on the Purex, we do have a DG cashback offer for 50 cents back, so that's going to make your final price $2.50. We also have the extra liquid laundry detergent on sale too for $6. And we also have the True Living bath tissue and paper towels on sale, as well as the Glad trash bags. Up next, gift ideas. We have the Craig Bluetooth speaker. You're going to save $10 with this sale. Then we also have a lot of the electronics, lights, Bluetooth speakers, headphones, all 25% off during this 3-day sale. Y'all let me know down in the comment section which deal is your favorite in this 3-day sale. Next up, we have the Vibe Sound karaoke microphones. These are going to be 50% off, so you're saving $6. Here's another great deal. We have the Premier Finds gifts, buy one get one free, so you're paying $5 for two. Next up, here's some gift ideas for the kiddos. We have this deal on the gel eruptors. These are going to be 50% off, so that's going to leave you paying $20. And here's some more cool gift ideas. We have the phone projectors on sale. We also have some cameras and the trigger massagers. And we also have a couple of deals on phones that will will be included in this 3-day sale. Next, we have the LA Colors nail polish on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. We also have an instant savings on the Conair straighteners and stylers, and we also have an instant savings on the wall clippers and trimmers. Next up, these are going to be really hot ticket items. These will fly off the shelves. We have the Baby Cakes mini appliances, normally $13. They're going to be on sale for $5. And then we also have the Frigidaire mini fridges. They are normally $25. They're going to be on sale for $15. Next up, another hot ticket item. We have the Toastmaster griddle and slow cookers. These are going to be on sale for just $15. But the deals don't stop there, because we also have our Toastmaster kitchen appliances, normally $12 to $15 each, but they're going to be on sale for just $5. So you are getting over 50% off. Here's another great deal. We have the Iams 3.3 pound bags of dog food on sale, buy 1 get 1 free, so you're paying $10 for 2. Now next up, we're going to talk about gift cards, because this is just one more way to save during the holiday season. Make sure that y'all stay tuned. I am going to be uploading a YouTube short talking specifically about gift card deals. Next up, we have Blue Dot, Yellow Dot, and Blue Star toys. Buy 1 get 1 75% off, and don't forget about that additional 25% off when you spend $75 on toys. Also have holiday apparel included in this sale. Here we have the holiday leggings for $3.50. We also have the cozy socks on sale for just $1. We have the cozy slippers on sale for $6, and then we also have the Bobby Brooks sweatshirts and sweatpants on sale 2 for $12. We also have the cozy jackets, normally $12.50 to $15 each. They're going to be on sale for $8. And then we also have the holiday pajamas on sale for $8. And then we also have an instant savings on the Hanes socks and underwear. Now we're going to move on into our Christmas deal. So here we have the holiday candles and the nutcrackers. They're going to be buy 1 get 1 half off. We also have an instant savings on the Christmas characters of $5. These are normally priced $15 to $30 each. Then we also have these stockings and hats on sale for 75 cents. And then we are also going to have our garland, decorative bows, and holiday lights. All of those are going to be 25% off during this 3-day sale. Now, the deals don't end there, because we also have a 1-day only sale going on November the 23rd. 1 day only. The stores are going to open up at 7 a.m. and they are going to close at 10 p.m. So Thursday is going to be the day that you want to run into the store and get all of your holiday decorations, because we have the artificial trees, lights, tree topper, tree skirts, and ornaments. All those are going to be 50% off, but this is 1 day only. Also, we're going to have select as seen on TV items, buy 1 get 1 50% off. But here's the deal that I'm running for. We have the planters, cashews, and mixed nuts, buy 1 get 1 free. So if you want to pick up the mixed nuts, those are $5.75. You're going to pay $5.75 for 2. If you want to pick up the cashews, you're going to pay $6 for 2. And here's another one that I'm running for. We have the plush PJ pants. These are so comfortable. They're going to be on sale for $3.50. And then right here at the end, we have another gift card deal on the Lowe's gift cards. Again, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and check out all of my YouTube short. All right, y'all, we made it through all that information in under 8 minutes. I can't even believe it, but here we are. We're at the end of the video. So I do want to go ahead and wish you all a very, very happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and just know I am extremely, extremely grateful for everyone who supports me and this channel. Thank you all so, so much. It really does mean the world. So that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more deals to share with you all very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Thank you all so, so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.